how do I check if there are duplicates in a flat list? For example, given the list 1, 2, 1, the algorithm should return true, whereas given 1, 2, 3, it should return false.
Recommended for short lists only. Do not use on a long list, it can take time proportional to the square of the number of items in the list. For longer lists with hashable items, strings, numbers, and C. If your items are not hashable, sublists, dicts, etc., it gets hairier, though it may still be possible to get O(n) logn, if they're at least comparable. But you need to know or test the characteristics of the items, hashable or not, comparable or not, to get the best performance you can O(n) for hashables, O(n) log n for non-hashable comparables, otherwise it's down to O(n) squared, and there's nothing one can do about it.
Use set to remove duplicates if all values are hashable.
If you are fond of functional programming style, here is a useful function, self-documented and tested code using doctest. From there you can test unicity by checking whether the second element of the returned pair is empty. Note that this is not efficient since you are explicitly constructing the decomposition. But along the line of using reduce, you can come up to something equivalent, but slightly less efficient, to answer 5.
This is old, but the answers here led me to a slightly different solution. If you are up for abusing comprehensions, you can get short-circuiting this way.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.